Day 12 of Vlogmas, and I'm heading to get my waxing done. Just finished up my waxing. I always feel like a new woman after a wax. So now I'm thinking I want to try this noodle place that me and my sister were going to try, but it was like too busy that night. So I'm going to try that. And then I'm supposed to be meeting a friend that I haven't seen in a couple years and see her family because she's got 2 little boys now. And so we're gonna head off to do that. I picked up the Korean noodles and the pad thai, yummy. And then I went next door to the sweets place, picked up 4 mini cupcakes to try, and then like 3 cake pops. The cake pops were amazing. Then, because my friend didn't tell me like exactly where and I'm new to the area, I decided to stop in Nordstrom and look around, and these purses caught my eye. It's a brand that I'm not familiar with, Kurt Geiger, but they were beautiful. Day 13 of Vlogmas, and after a meeting, my dad took me to learn how to drive the golf cart because we live in a golf cart community, and I was like a little bit, I don't want to say scared, but just kind of didn't want to mess up the golf cart. So he took me out and we drove around the neighborhood, or neighborhoods, I guess, to get me familiar with driving the golf cart. So we got to see some of the pretty scenery in some of the other neighborhoods that I haven't been in. And I managed to stop at all the stop signs and make sure that I didn't run anybody over. I had a hard time like staying on my side of the street because there was no power steering. So that was a little bit interesting. So we're just pulling up now because we went around for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes just to get me used to rolling in the golf cart. And I managed to park it in the garage with no accidents. So fun time with Dad. He filmed this portion for me. Thanks, Dad. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.